Hi everyone, I'm just going to share a card that I just got from a student of mine, which really illustrates true north, the direction we should be heading in when we're teaching martial arts. So let me give you the backstory of this young man. Not only have I been his martial arts instructor for about the last 4 or 5 years, I was his primary school sport teacher from years 1 to 6. So during that time in grades 1 and 2, I taught him what are called fundamental movement skills: how to throw, how to catch, how to kick a ball, how to hit a ball with a bat, all the basic things that make up any kind of a sport curriculum. Then in grades 3 and 4, I switched those skills to more sport-based skills: how to hit a ball, how to hit a baseball, how to hit a softball, how to hit a golf ball, how to kick a footy, all those basic skills. And then in years 5 and 6, I taught him all the major sports: cricket, footy, etc., etc. In that time, he also joined my martial arts school. So he learnt all of the skills that you would expect there: how to throw a left hook, how to do an uppercut, how to throw an elbow, how to do a knee, how to do a kick, what kesagatami is, how to get out of it, what a figure four is, etc., etc. Here's the interesting part. In this card, after all these years, because he's basically saying goodbye, he doesn't mention any of that. Have a listen to what he focuses on. He writes, "All throughout my life, you have played a huge role. Since year 1, when I could tie my shoelaces, you have been there for me. The life lessons I have been taught helped me make good decisions and be respectful. I will always remember golfing on the oval in primary school. From dodgeball to the beep test, you have always added some excitement to the day. What MMA has taught me is beyond any school class. From bonding with new people to courage, determination, respect, self-respect, self-control, and much more. Life will be very different without my Monday night classes, and I feel like I've been doing them forever. I will miss you guys. I'm wishing you a wonderful next chapter in your lives and can't wait to see you around." Now, I read that not to impress you, but to impress upon you what he has focused on as being the greatest benefit from his years of me being his coach. Notice he hardly mentioned the fact that I taught him how to kick a soccer ball or how to throw a right punch. He mentions all the character development skills that he learnt in the classes. So that is your true north. That is your compass reading that you should follow and focus on when you're teaching a class of kids.